Python provides 4 data collection data types: list, tuple, set and dictionary. We studied list, tuple and set in our last few sessions. We will now move to the most important and most widely used data collection data type of Python, that is dictionary. Hello everyone, welcome to Python session, and in this session we will start learning dictionary. Dictionary is an unordered collection of data. The key represents the data element and we use curly brackets to declare a dictionary. Yes, that is very similar to set, but key is the primary differentiating factor. You will understand the concept of key and the definition after we execute some few examples. Just declare a dictionary, write a variable name book, and after equal to sign write curly brackets. This is nothing but our empty dictionary. To initialize our dictionary, we will write book underscore name in double quotes, then a colon and then Python for beginners in double quotes. This is our dictionary with the key book underscore name and the value Python for beginners. The syntax for declaring a dictionary is dictionary name, then curly brackets and then key value pair. Always remember one thing, the keys should always be unique. We can add multiple elements in the dictionary with different keys. In our dictionary book, we can add a new key, price, and then the value 250 like this. Print the dictionary book, run the code. You see, you got our dictionary with all the elements in the key value pair. Please note that we have enclosed the values and key in double quotes. When they are string, we don't require double quotes for number value or number key like this price value. Well, now you know how to declare a dictionary. Let's understand how to access the dictionary values using key. In other data types, we access the element using an index, but in dictionary, you have the key. We will write print, then dictionary variable name, and inside the square bracket, write the key book underscore name to print the book name. Run the code. Well, you got the book name as output. We can even access the price by using the price key like this. Run the code. Well, we got both the values. Python also provides the function get to access the element value in the dictionary. Just write a variable name d underscore value and then assignment operator and then books.get, and in bracket pass the key name book underscore name in single or double quotes. Then print the variable d underscore value. Run the code. Well, we got the correct output. You can even call the get function directly inside print like this. Run the code. Well, we got the same output. We can even access all the dictionary element in the form of list by using items function. Inside print, write book.items followed by brackets. Run the code. You see, you got the output in square bracket, which is nothing but a list. Well, we have studied how to use list in our previous sessions. Now suppose you want to print all the values in a dictionary. For that, we will use values function. Inside print, write book.values followed by brackets. Run the code. You see, you got all the values in the form of a list. If you want the keys, you can use keys function like this. Run the code. Here we have our keys, book name and price. I hope you understood what is dictionary and how to access dictionary values and keys. There is a lot to learn about dictionary, like updating, removing and many more things. But we'll study them in the next session. Thanks.